Application Insight is a very good resource for monitoring everything about our application. And there's a lot of experiences are supported by default by Microsoft. And this is what we call it, the automatic instrumentation. So in the automatic instrumentation, we don't have to modify the code. It's not obligated. And in the automatic instrumentation, there's some supported environments and languages. We can see here in the board that Azure App Service on Linux, when we are using Python runtime, is not supported. We can see the same example here. I'm using Python runtime, so Application Insight is not supported. So the solution for it to install one of two packages. The first one is called OpenTelemetry, and the second one is called Application Insight SDK, which is using a library is called OpenSenses. If we will open like one of the supported languages, Python, and what I'm using here, we can see the way to install the package here, OpenSenses package, and then how to use it and how to insert the connection string in Python application. And when we will deploy the application, it will show for us the following results: the seasons, the user's number, for example, and everything. I let it for you all of the useful links here in the end of the article. Thank you for watching.